All right, so we just received two 50-pound boxes of rare exotic palms from Hawaii. So I cut the tape, but I have not opened these boxes yet, so I'm really excited to see what we have in here. Ooh! Wow. So these are all seed grown. Look at these guys.
Yeah. I know you're gonna want one for your new place. Excited about this.
What are those?
Itaya Mikorum. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I've only read it. I've never heard it. Who's that?
My Copernicia Hospita Blue.
Is that the Cuban petticoat? Or no, that's my Blossom.
Yes.
That's right.
Oh, look at how smart he was. He like taped them together.
Wow. Okay, so
we,
just one tag.
One tag, but they're put together. Oh my goodness! These are my ivory cane palms, Penanga coronata.
Wow.
And look at the division on these leaves already. I know, so good. So good.
That's the ivory cane.
Yep, ivory cane. Burschifaltia splendida.
Ah, isn't that one of yours?
Burschifaltia.
Orange crown shaft.
Yep. Look at the spines.
Ooh. That is definitely different from this one.
Yeah, these
That
are,
looks like
they
this
look the
one.
same. Hand them to you.
Who are you?
These are Liquala your Triphylla variety Stenophylla.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, yes, so good.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I can't believe the size of some of these.
Wow. Oh, could these be the Chamberonians?
Oh! Possibly,
You know
yeah,
what?
look at this.
I think they
I
are.
think they are.
If there are...
Chamberonia macrocarpa, flamethrower palm. The new leaves come out like a red. Mm-hmm. That sounds about right.
It.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's why it's called flamethrower, because it puts out that one leaf that is that deep red. That's awesome. That's awesome. Only recently stuff, I think. Why? Is it? All right, here we go. Box 2. Oh my goodness. Okay, so.
Those look like Linonians?
Yep. Yep. Linonia desciantha.
Yes.
Linonia desciantha. Oh, they're so cute. So cute.
So this is a more cold tolerant Liquala Mapu.
These are Penanga species Thai model.
Yes.
Here's another Linonia. Linonia.
A lot of soil.
Okay, so these are called Thai model because Growth has this awesome mottled pattern to it. Wow. Beautiful understory palm. I think they make great houseplants. Rarely seen. So we're gonna grow them for a couple weeks and then sell them. Maybe we'll do a live sale.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Yes. We will be the
Hawaii
first
edition.
customers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Brett puts it down. He's like, and it's live, but I bought all
This
of
is
it.
mine.
white elephant palm. So this is Caradoxa elegans, known as white elephant palm. We saw one when we went to Selby. They are stunning. It's a monotypic genera, meaning there's only one species in the genus, which makes them even cooler. Oh, little babies. The Joey Magnifica, so this is, what, US Mania? Yeah.
What was this?
Johannstemania
Yeah.
magnifica.
Yes. Johannes Mania.
Yes.
Johannes Mania Magnifica. Wow. They look nothing like how they will. We can do an insert shot.
Yeah.
But so cute. Yeah, look at the little seed. Adorable. This is time modeled with the Copernicia macroglossa. Wow. They're so little, it's nothing compared to what it will be, so this guy is
That's adorable.
bare root.
So
I'll
we
have
had
pop
to
him
like
up.
put him next to the other one to keep him stable.
Yeah. Woo! There we go. We did it.
Mm-hmm.
Palms from Hawaii. From our greenhouse to your greenhouse. Nope, to your house. Well, you could have a greenhouse. As we say here, we're always growing more, always on the hunt, looking for the next coolest thing to be able to bring you guys. So really excited. Stay tuned in the next upcoming weeks to get your own palm from Hawaii.